that ln x is the same as log base e of x. So anytime e is involved, you're going to use ln. Anytime. So if I had e to the point 0.06t equals 1500, that's my equation. I can't make 1500 be base e, much as I would like to, can't do it. So what would I do? I take the log of both sides, but because I'm dealing with e, I would use natural log instead. So the natural log of e to the 0.06t is the natural log of 1500, taking the log of both sides. Natural log is log base e. So and the step that they left out here is this one, is 0.06t log base e of e equals the natural log of 1500. That's the missing step. And then log base e of e from yesterday was property of logs, 1. And then that's where they came up with this. Negative 0.06t is equal to the natural log of 1500. And then divide both sides by 0.06. This is again is an exact answer. And then you get an approximate answer when you perform the division. Now what they did, and this is what's kind of interesting because of the rounding, when you try to do a check, they put in the answer that they got as an approximate answer in for t, and notice they came out with something larger than 1500, but we would say that's in Mr. Rogers' neighborhood of 1500. That's rounding. This piece right here is round-off error. It's round-off error. That says it's close enough. It's close enough. Now, why I'm looking at this problem, and I'm saying to myself, exact answer, approximate answer, it makes no sense to me. And why would this make no sense to me, this particular problem, to have an exact and an approximate? What do you notice about 1 over 27? I can write both as base 3. Is there going to be an approximate answer? Well, no. This goes back to 3 to the x is equal to 1 over 3 to the 3. 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the minus 3, or x equals 3. Now, I'm going to leave some room here because I think I know what I meant by that. This is an exact answer. Negative 3, yes, thank you. That's an exact answer. Now, why would I do this? Undoubtedly, this is something that came from your book. If I were to say, and I didn't know how to work the problem this way, I could say if these two things are equal, then the log of those two things also have to be equal. So that if I bring the x down, log of 3 equals the log of 1 over 27. Divide both sides by log of 3. It's the log of 1 over 27 divided by the log of 3. That's an exact answer. And boy, these two things don't look alike. But if I put it into my calculator, that's what I come out with.
So which answer do you want for the test?
Whatever you give me, that's right.
True.
So either one can be correct, is that what you're saying?
Yes. 1/27 divided by log of 3. It's -3.
Who would have thought that?
So the approximate answer is also -3. And that's taking this and calculating it out. So it's an exact and an approximate answer. We're going to have to take a look at that problem again. I don't like that problem.